So now, go home, go to New Document, no you don't want to save, and go to Add a Calculator. Now once we have our graph, that's pretty fine and dandy. But how can we check our solutions? So just like we did on that problem where we plugged in a point, that's what I'm going to show you, but I'm going to let the calculator do the work for you. Okay? So, let's say we're looking at this equation. Y is less than 1/2 x minus 5. And I want to plug in, let's just double check and see if the point, I don't know, 6, 2. Let's see if that is a solution. Okay? And how we can do this. What is 6? X or Y? And what is 2? Y. So we're going to plug those numbers into our equation. So it says Y, but what are we going to type instead of Y? 2. Okay? 2. Now to bring up the less than sign, you're going to press the yellow control button and then the button right underneath it with the equal sign. Do you see how it has those symbols right above it? So press the yellow control button and then the button right beneath it, and it should pop up like this. Right here? Okay? So it says 2. Go ahead and go to the less than sign and click it. And then I'm going to type the rest of my equation. 1/2 Now instead of typing x, what am I going to type? What are we plugging in for x? 6. So I'm even going to put a parentheses around the 6. Because that way I know that's what I'm plugging in for x. That's the substitution that I'm making. X is 6 right there. Then minus 5. You don't have to put the parentheses. You can just put times 6. That is perfectly fine. I just like to do it like that because that way I can see what did I plug in for x? 6. Okay? So all I did was take that point and plug it into our equation. Press enter. What does it say? False. Do you think that's a solution? No. It's false, which means it's not a solution. Now let's do that again, but let's check the point for -3. Let's check that point. So instead of typing y, what am I going to type? What kind of 3? -3. Control, and then the button right beneath it. -3 is less than 1/2. What am I typing for x? What are we plugging in for x? 4. Because that's the point they gave us, or the point that we're checking. And then minus 5. You guys, this is the thing. You don't necessarily have to do the math. All you have to do is plug in the numbers. The calculator does the math for you. Go ahead and press enter. Is that a solution? Why do you think it's not a solution? Because on our graph we have that point. And what kind of boundary line is this? A dash, open circle, dash, dotted. I don't know how you want to say it. But do we include the points on that line? No, apparently not. Now let's type in one more. I know y'all gonna hate me, but y'all gonna love me in a minute. Let's type in one more. Type in the point. Let's type in 4, -4. So all we're gonna do is switch that to a -4. Let's type that point in. So what are we gonna type for y? -4 less than 1/2 x minus 5. What are we typing in for x? 4. Okay. Stop myself. Is it a solution? True. Is it a solution? Yes, it is. That is a solution. Okay?